Did you know that almonds is a fantastic source of antioxidants that can protect your cells from oxidative damage, a major contributor to aging and disease? This is the best source of vitamin E. It can assist with blood sugar control because nuts are low in carbs but high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds can lower cholesterol level. Eating almonds reduces hunger. How? Protein plus fiber are known to increase feeling of fullness. This can help you eat fewer calories and eventually enhance weight loss. Mmm, so yummy and so healthy. That is the recipe of the barbecue almonds. I hope you guys try it at your home and I hope you like it. Bye bye.